What is it?
Ew.
Ew.
What is this?
It looks like a football.
What is it?
It's like a special football that the Easter Bunny picked out for you.
Like, and what is it?
I think you can throw it and it has a thing on the back.
Like airplane?
Yeah.
Like that?
Good job.
Like it's airplane. Oh! Oh!
What are those things?
It says that maybe a fire engine.
It does?
It says that doesn't need a fire
Let me
engine.
see what you got here. Oh, Mater? And what else? What's that one?
Hey.
You got all kinds of stuff. Why don't you get your basket and let's go in here.
Here.
Ooh, more stuff.
Here.
Who brought you all this?
Easter Bunny.
Easter Bunny?
Yeah.
Ooh, what do you say to the Easter Bunny?
Let me go tell them.
Oh, you want to go tell him?
Thank you, Easter Bunny.
Good job.
He hit me.
He heard you?
Yeah.
Oh, that is so cool. Did you turn it on?
I'll turn it on.
Let me see.
I think there's like an orange button, maybe.
Are you ready to become a smart writer? Let's get to the